So, I read in social media where students say there are bad roads through their campuses. They want to protest against me. That is their right to protest. And it's my right to explain that if they have protested in the past 30 years over the kind of roads that we met, maybe this would have been better. So it's good to create the awareness of the kind of terrible roads and debts the President Bola inherited, in 2023. And it's important that the supervisors on our media tour, we so educate them on the massive magic President Bola is doing in our road infrastructure. But if you are looking to blackmail me, this man, if you are looking to make money off me, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. This man here is very thick. No one can blackmail me. And I report to God Almighty and to President Bola Tinubu. So there is nothing you do that shakes anybody. The most important thing is that the president is very committed to right the wrongs on our road infrastructure. And that this we are not resting. We are moving from one point to the other. And so those who want to protest is their right. But if they cannot see in the afternoon, they should keep their torchlight. They will be able to see. Thank you again, and husband, I commit you to the hand of God.